Is your vehicle feeling a bit sluggish? Maybe not accelerating as crisply as it used to. Or perhaps you are just seeing that check engine light staring at you with no obvious driving problems yet. If your scanner shows P206E, we are looking at the intake manifold tuning valve stuck open for bank 2. This sounds complicated, but think of it like this. Your engine needs to breathe differently when it is cruising versus when it is racing. The intake manifold tuning, or IMT valve, is like a flap inside your intake that changes the path of the air. It creates a swirling motion to mix the fuel and air better, which improves efficiency and power. When the code says stuck open, it means the flap is locked in a position that allows maximum airflow, possibly when it should be restricting it to create that turbulence. Bank 2 just tells us which side of the engine is having the problem. That is the side opposite of cylinder number 1. The symptoms can be subtle, like slightly worse gas mileage or a lean code, because the air mixture isn't optimal. To diagnose this, you do not always need high-tech tools immediately. Start by popping the hood and locating the tuning valve on the intake manifold. Many of these use plastic linkages and arms to move the flaps. These plastic bits become brittle over time and snap. I have seen plenty of cases where the electric motor is working fine, but the arm connecting it to the valve is broken, so the valve just flops around or stays stuck. If the linkage looks solid, then you are looking at an electrical issue with the actuator or the valve itself being jammed by carbon deposits. You can try to move the linkage by hand with the engine off to see if it binds. If it feels gritty or stuck, carbon buildup might be the cause. If it moves freely but the code persists, you will need a multimeter to check if the actuator is getting the right signals from the computer. Fixing this restores that crisp throttle response and ensures your engine is burning fuel as efficiently as designed.